What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking the cutoff wavelength in micrometer of light that can be used for intrinsic excitation of a semiconductor material of band gap Eg is equal to 1.1 electron volt is what? So the question is asking for the wavelength, and we know that we have to know the wavelength and energy related equation that's given by lambda is equal to 1.24 divided by Eg, and the unit must be in micrometer. Okay, now here the question is asking for the cutoff wavelength, and when we have this Eg that is equal to 1.1 electron voltage, so we can use the same equation. Here we are going to calculate cutoff wavelength, that's lambda c, that's going to be equal to 1.24 divided by 1.1 electron volt, and the unit is going to be in micrometer, and if you calculate this one, you are going to get 1.12 micrometer, and that's going to be our final answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.